Hello, my friends. Welcome back to your girl Brittanee, and for another installment of Humpday Handmade, where the last Wednesday of every month we do something that is handmade, no dyes, no cutting machine. Make sure you check out the other ladies who are participating. Their links are down below in the description box with our hostesses sharing more and Scrappy Tate. So this is what we are going to be creating, and I think it'll be awesome for the upcoming season. So let's get going. So first we're going to start off with our base, and we are going to go ahead and smooth out those score lines, and we are going to remove all the little square corners from the base. Once we do that, you can go ahead and map this up and just go ahead and put that to the side. So now we're going to work on the boxes, and these are going to be made just like how I did the advent calendar. So starting with the rectangle in the middle, we're going to cut all the way down to the first square and remove that whole entire side. And then we're going to cut the little small rectangle and completely remove that on the left and right, but leave the one in the middle. Then we are going to cut up onto the score line to release our tabs, and we are going to repeat this on the other side. And then just afterwards, you're going to fold in those loose tabs, meeting up to the middle tab, and fold on up. Now that we have all three boxes, we are going to go ahead and lay it out on our base. So we have two boxes that go on the long portion and one that goes on the short portion. You want to make sure that you have your tab the way that is going to be lifting up when it folds. When the whole entire box folds down, you want to make sure that that is up. So make sure you pay attention to your direction and go ahead and adhere those down, making sure you're leaving enough space between your score lines and your folds, so then that way there's not a discrepancy. So once you go ahead and add all of that up, you just go and fold it closed. Now onto the lid, which holds everything together. You're just going to do this just like you would any other lid, and do your score lines and release your tabs with the tiny little squares, and you're going to go and adhere your tabs together to the rest of the flaps. And then from there, you are pretty much done. The lid does stay on very, very well with the box, but optional little moment here. If you want to add a belly band to add a little bit more pizzazz and leave the box naked and add all your decoration to the belly band, you can go ahead and do this. I just took a piece of my scraps from when I had cut my pieces out for the box, and I folded it over to create the belly band and decorated that. And this is just a great way to utilize your 6x6 papers, and also a great craft fair idea. You can add treats in here, stuff for Merry Mail, whatever tickles your fancy. And this, I just love this project. It is inspired by a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator that I saw over on Pinterest, but I just changed up how things are made. So I do hope you guys enjoy this project and have fun with it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!